Hey YouTube, welcome to my channel. This is Rajesh Roy, and I'm going to talk about the December, the most awaited December for Google Pixel 8 Pro users. Right. So I personally bought the Google Pixel 8 Pro a couple of months back, and since then, I've used it as my primary phone. I loved it. To be fair, I really love it. I really love the operating system. I love the camera gears, the new cameras which are out there. I really love the improvement in video features with which Google has added with the Pixel 8 Pro series. But there were few things which were announced in the month of October, and they were yet to be released for the smartphones. Something which is which is like buy the phone and in next 2 months we will make your phone the most special one out there, right? So we are here back in December, and the feature drop has come today morning. When I got up, I got the notification that there's a feature drop for my Pixel 8 Pro. And the moment I got to know that there is an update, I quickly went ahead, downloaded it, installed it in my system, and there is the most awaited feature. Like there we I have got the video boost feature, which is something I'm testing right away. Then there is a call screening feature, which I'm sure that it is not for India. But my Pixel Tips app is still showing it as there. The feature is there in my phone. I need to check that. There are features with the sound recorder, the AI, as we are all in the Gemini world of Pixel. So too many things happening in this December, right? But there are few things which I particularly want to talk about. I particularly want to showcase. I particularly want to share it with all my community over here on YouTube. And one of them being is the webcam feature. So what Pixel has done is like it was already on iPhone, but what Pixel have started to do is you connect your smartphone with the USB Type C cable. Um, you connect one end of that to your smartphone, second end to your PC, right? And just by some few clicks, you will be able to use the front camera or the rear camera, whichever you like, as a primary webcam, right? Your phone camera, which is the awesome one, is going to be a webcam, and you can use it for your calls, your meeting, your recording, wherever you want to do. If you're a streamer, you want to go there, you want to just use the best camera out there from the Pixel, and you want to just put it over there and make entire video. So that is something which Pixel has launched. It is easy to use. It is pretty convenient. So I'm just gonna do a demo of it. Let's experience it firsthand and see how this feature really comes out and works for me, for the other users who are out there, right? Also, I want to give you a heads up that I'm recording another video. The another video is about the most awaited feature, which is video boost, something which Google claimed that it is going to record better than the iPhone 15 series smartphone. Something those phones are fabulous in video recording, and Pixel is basically claiming that the video boost is going to make it better than the iPhone 15 series. So I'm already processing videos. It is taking some time, a lot of time actually. So once that is ready, I'll have another video rolled out. So do subscribe to the channel, right? But for today, for this video, let's quickly move to the webcam feature and test it firsthand. So you can start the webcam feature by connecting your smartphone to the USB Type C and then connecting the same one to the laptop. I've done it here, and once you are done, you should click on the notification center, scroll down, and you will see the option for a webcam over there. As soon as you hit on that webcam, now your PC can take the feeds from the camera feeds from your system and uh, use them to uh, on use them actually to show on all types of call, right? There are also options to uh, do the changes, like you can toggle between the camera. I'll do is I'll quickly create a Google Meeting call so that I can show it to you how it actually looks like on Google Meet. This feature is pretty good because the webcam from laptops are really bad. I own a gaming laptop and the webcam is really poor. And the feature where I can get an access from uh, the mobile is fantastic. So right now you're looking at the Logitech uh, webcam, which I have on my PC. I'll go to the video option, and from the toggle I'll just choose Android webcam. Right. The moment I do it, okay, I need to flip my phone orientation from vertical to horizontal. You let me do that, and from then I should be able to basically have the right view. That's correct, right? So I'm holding my smartphone from my left hand, and on my Google Meet webcam, you can see that the front camera is now working as um, the camera, the webcam for my Android system, right? And I'm having all the features, like I can apply filters. Right now, what I've done is I've switched to the back camera. So I've flipped my phone. I'm right now recording from the back camera, and they both actually look pretty good. Like I think I will have no problem doing it from my front cam itself. For other users, what I will do is I'll create another login, and I'll show you how the video quality is going to look to the other users. So I'm right now having around 50 Mbps of internet speed, and here you go. Right, so I've joined as a second user, and I'll just pin it. Right, so you can see how the webcam quality from my first user, which has been transmitted to Google server and then it has been showcased here, looks, right? So it's pretty good. I think even the quality of the camera from at the time of transmission to everything, this is damn good. I think the only problem I will be facing now is that I need to hold the phone all the time, unlike how Apple does it. You can ideally you can just have a magnetic case or something. Yeah, perfect. So hope you like this video. I wanted to showcase this feature. It is out and it's working fantastic. I love it, and yeah, do write in comment box what you want to see next. Thank you.
Thank you.